Hello and welcome to my look at Axitrader, an Australian brokerage that is highly regulated by ASIC, which is the Australian Securities regulator, and therefore is able to be trusted and verified with all of its financial information. The ASIC is probably one of the best regulatory bodies out there. They are also regulated by the FCA in the UK, so that, of course, is strong. They've been around since 2007, 2008. Pretty strong brokerage. They have MetaTrader 4 platforms, so you should be used to that. Auto chartist, signal providers, and a few other little bonuses for their trading platforms. They have deep liquidity. They are very good with their support. They offer quite a bit along the lines of CFDs. So, for example, commodities trading, gold and silver, oil, that gives you the ability to kind of take a look at some other things beyond just FX. So the share CFDs, less margin is one of the better things that they offer. They offer 1 to 400 leverage. Now, the CFD markets will be a little bit different depending on which particular asset you are trading. But at this point, you should know that that's typical for most of these brokerages. They are, again, highly regulated. They offer quite a bit of advantages in the educational as well as analysis. They do have really good analysis. I've actually checked out the site more than once. There's a history of all of the accolades that they've won here in the last, say, 11 years. They have mobile MT4. They have auto chartist, which is kind of cool. I kind of like that tool, actually. It'll find triangles and stuff for you. They do have a demo account that you can try. They've got numbers that you can call in Australia and the UK as well as international. The spreads are nice and tight. So, for example, let's go to Forex trading here. They do offer Bitcoin, but you can see the currency pairs that they offer. They are closed here, so there is no such thing as a live. Like, I can't look at the live spreads, but this live spread will show that they're just broken down. They're just not trading. But you can see that some of the Euro Turkish, U.S. Chinese, U.S. Israeli shekel. So there's a lot of pairs that they offer. Very strong trading brokerage firm. Been around, like I said, for a little over 10 years. One of the bigger Australian brands. They actually have prop trading available. If you become one of their better retail accounts, they will find a way to fund you. So that's pretty good. They bridge retail and investment. That's not really something that we'll go into here because that brings up a whole nother list of issues, but it is something to know. They do have a market news and blog section that's pretty good. It'll tell you what's going on around the world. Market analysis, technical analysis, etc. Very strong brokerage firm. Axitrader has been trusted by thousands of traders around the world, not just Australia. So this is definitely one worth checking out. Minimum trade conditions. So, for example, you can get a standard account or an ECN account. Now, an ECN, of course, is going to charge $7 round turn per lot. So if you're trading, say, 10,000, that's not going to be, it'll be 70 cents per round turn per lot. But a full lot is $7. They offer quite a few payment, credit card, debit card, bank wire, net teller, Skrill, Global Collect, B2B, a lot of the usuals. They do offer micro lots. They do offer spreads as low as 0.6 pips on the euro dollar. On an ECN, it can actually go to 0.0 or 0.1, which is almost nothing. So very, very good brokerage firm. Really, the biggest problem that you're going to run into is if you're a U.S. client. They don't take U.S. clients, which is an unfortunate side effect of living in the U.S., but excellent brokerage firm.